Hi, I'm Julie Osborne. I recently sold this home, 13 Reserve Drive. It's my dad's home, and my family and I went with Craig because of the media package. I really wanted to get it onto the internet, and I felt that the easygoing video that showed off the house for all it was the way to go. I found working with Craig great. He rang, he emailed people's interest and where it was up to. We had an auction and that fell through. We didn't have to pay for that. That was a part of what was going on. Craig's an auctioneer, but he had a plan and we stuck to it, and more buyers came and we sold the house at a great price and the whole family are happy. I'd recommend anyone to go and sell their house with Craig. You can be as involved or uninvolved as you like. I didn't really want to be involved. I trusted Craig the whole step of the way. He kept me informed, and we sold the house at the price I wanted.